Did you know that you can make money by listening to music? I'm not talking about websites where you can earn cents per song. What I'm talking about is a website where you can earn up to $12 per song, which means if you listen to 10 songs a day, that's $120. Doesn't that sound amazing? Just think about it. All you have to do is listen to music. And if you did that for a couple hours a day, you could be making around $600 or even $900 a day. I never really wanted to expand on listening to music because I believed that most of it just paid cents a song, which isn't enough to really support a side business or hustle. However, I recently discovered a website that will pay you up to $12 for every song that you listen to. Basically, if you want to listen to 10 songs a day while you work out, before you go to bed, or just during your commute to work, it could pay you up to $100 per day to do so. As a result, if you love music and enjoy listening to it, this would be a really great option for you. It would also be beneficial to the artists, because you would also be supporting local artists by reviewing their music. The opinions of the audience, such as what we thought of their music, etc., can actually aid them in deciding what to go after. They have songs on this website that I'm about to reveal to you. After you listen to a song, you just review it. So it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple, and that most people around the world can do this. I did make sure that this is not just for within the United States, because this is the biggest comment I get all the time. You all want more options for people outside the US. Well, this one is it. The website is called Playlist Push. What the website is about is pushing playlists onto new listeners to go to get reviews on their songs. There are a few different steps to take before you can get up to $12 per song using this, so I'll go over them real quick. First, you need a Spotify or Apple Music account. We'll focus more on Spotify because that's what I use. You do need to have an active account, so just create one, it's free. Next, you need to make a playlist on it, or at least a couple of playlists. Pick your favorite artists, add some songs, and that's it. You have a playlist. The next step is to have at least 1,000 followers. I know what you're thinking, but I don't have 1,000 followers to do this. Well, I'm going to help you with that, so stay with me. I do not recommend you buy followers like a lot of other people are talking about doing, because if you buy followers, they will not be genuine. We can follow each other on Spotify, which is going to be a lot better than buying followers, because we all have playlists and songs that we're all listening to on our accounts, and we're all active users, so we can help each other and follow each other. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to the family and comment down below what your Spotify account is. By commenting down below, you all are going to be a part of this community of helping us all get there. So here is the website for Playlist Push, which I will link below for you, so check out the description. Just go to playlistpush.com, and you can see here they are connecting artists to playlist curators, so you're going to be a curator. So we are all winning, and I'm all about all of us winning together, so we can help each other out. So put your Spotify account in the comments, and you could be making $12 per song. Now let's clarify that's up to $12 per song with Playlist Push. In order to get an idea of how much money you think you can make, it says, discover some of the best up-and-coming indie artists and help them launch their careers. Get paid to listen and review songs. According to this, you can earn up to $12 per song. I mean, you can sit there and listen to as many songs as you want literally all day if you wanted. Or if you only want to listen to 10 songs per day while you're running, driving, or getting ready for bed, you can still do it. I believe there is no cap on how much you can make per song, so you can make more than that. Okay, so first you're going to sign up as a curator, and you're going to choose where you live to find out where you're going to get your payout. So I'm just going to choose Australia for this example, because a lot of people from Australia ask me what works for them, but this one does. Next, how many followers does your Spotify playlist have? Like I said, you need at least 1,000, and I told you earlier, if you need help with this, just leave your Spotify account name down in the comments. We're going to 1,000 because that's how many you need to become a curator on Playlist Push. After that, you're going to connect your Spotify account so you can verify your playlists. Once you reach 1,000, you're going to connect your account. After that, you're going to preview, and you can start earning up to $12 per song by listening to them and then reviewing them. As I previously stated, you are being paid to review songs. If you like it, you can think about adding it to one of your playlists. Therefore, have your playlists already created with your favorite artists and songs. In order to be considered a curator, you must have your own playlist with actual followers on Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. This is crucial, which is why I cautioned you against buying a list of 1,000 people, because they are fake accounts and you need real people, not fake accounts. If we're all real people and we're helping each other using it, and it show us as active people. So make sure to put your account name in the comments. You get compensated for each qualified review playlist. By giving new and upcoming music artists feedback on their music, you can support your community and the artists by earning up to $12 for each song you evaluate. Additionally, you can request a payout at any moment and receive fast payouts. As long as you have a bank account and they pay directly into it, everything should be good. If you're a music lover and enjoy music, you can find new songs from independent artists to add to your playlist. That's pretty much it. This is how it's done. The website is Playlist Push. Once you have 1,000 followers, you can start receiving payments of up to $12 per song reviewed. Many people will also advise you to King Quora to promote it. I would advise to just post it in the comments instead. We'll all work together to get you to your 1,000, at which point you can start doing this awesome money-earning tactic. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got anything out of it, please click the like button. So that you won't miss any future videos, click the notification bell and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to please leave me a comment in the section below. I enjoy talking with you guys, and I sincerely hope you succeed in this, so share your thoughts with me there. Until we all have 1,000 followers, let's support one another in following each other. There is no reason why we all couldn't get there that easy, given that I have the best followers. I'll see you in my next video.